My name is Samuel Gamez from course 801. Today we're going to analyze and look at a recipe for nachos and guacamole. It is very simple and the tips are as follows.
Ingredients: 1 bag of tortilla chips, 2 ripe avocados, 1/2 red onions, 1 tomato, cubes of lime, fresh cilantro chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Recipe: finish up the onion and the tomato. Mash the avocados in a bowl until you have paste. Add the onion, tomato, cilantro, lime juice, salt and pepper. Mix well. 2. Heat the nachos. Preheat the oven according to back-page instructions. Place the tortilla chips in a baking sheet and bake until golden brown and crispy.
Additionally, we must remember that the nachos we can combine with something else. For example, melted cheese, which also gives a food flavor to nachos. You can also make the nachos. Homemade although it takes longer. It gives a special touch to the nachos. Finally, with serving, add the napkin to absorb some fat from the nachos, and place the guacamole on the other side of the plate. And that's it. You already have your plate ready to eat. Thanks for watching.